Hello and welcome back to Mocha Dishes. Today we are going to be making several styles of crepes. Now into a separate bowl I'm adding 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of milk, 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and a half cup of sour cream. You're also going to want to add 2 eggs and a pinch of salt. Now you're just going to want to mix. I found a few chunks in mine, so I used a hand mixer. You're going to want your mixture to be this consistency. You're then going to want to put your non-stick pan on the oven at medium to high heat. You're essentially just going to want to pour your mixture onto the pan and lay it flat. Once you see that it's cooked, or every 2 to 3 minutes, you're going to want to put sesame oil on the top and flip. You're going to want to repeat this process until you have your desired amount of crepes. Now that I have my desired amount, I am cutting them into 4, and I show you guys 2 ways how I make them. One way is I add strawberries on top, and the other way is I add whipped cream and caramel sauce.
Thank you so much. If you like this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below for any food or recipes you want my mom to make. Bye!
I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Bye!